quadratic expressions. The first problem, if the equations x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0 and x square plus bx plus a is equal to 0 have a common root. So here two equations are given, x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0 and x square plus bx plus a is equal to 0. Both of the equations have a common root. Clearly from the equations directly we can tell that x is equals to 1 is the root of the equation. So when we take x is equal to 1, then what is the first answer? 1 plus a plus b is equal to 0. And similarly, what is the second answer? 1 plus b plus a is equal to 0. So both of the equations are same when we take x is equal to 1. Therefore 1 is the root of the equation. So what is the value of a plus b? So from this the value of a plus b is equal to minus 1. That is the first option. Next problem, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, then the value of alpha power 6 plus beta power 6. So given equation is x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So given that alpha comma beta are the roots of this equation. So alpha comma beta are the roots of this equation, then what is the formula? Alpha power n plus beta power n is equals to 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 3. So this is the direct formula. This is the value of alpha power n plus beta power n. But what we want? Alpha power 6 plus beta power 6. That is substituting that n is equal to 6 in this equation. That is alpha power 6 plus beta power 6 is equals to 2 power 6 plus 1 into 6 pi by 3. That is 2 power 7 into cos 2 pi. So this is equals to 128 into 1. That is equals to 120 is equals to 128, which is the third option. Next problem, the equation formed by decreasing each root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 by 1 is 2x square plus 8x plus 2 is equal to 0. That is, this is the equation obtained by decreasing the roots of this equation by 1. That is, for suppose if this equation is equals to f of x, then what is the equation obtained by decreasing the roots of this equation by 1? That is equal to f of x plus 1. Decreasing means we take the formula is equal to x plus 1. That is f of x plus 1 is equals to a into x plus 1 whole square plus b into x plus 1 plus c is equal to 0. But what is given? This equation is equal to 2x square plus 8x plus 2 equal to 0. Now taking the comparison of both of the equations. After taking the simplification of this equation, what we get? Ax square plus 2ax plus a plus bx plus b plus c is equal to 0. Now first taking the x square quotients comparison, then we get a is equals to 2. Next taking the x quotients comparison, we get 2a plus b is equals to 8. Then the value of b is equals to 4. Next taking the comparison of the constants, a plus b plus c is equal to 2. That is 2 plus 4 plus c is equal to 2. Then the value of c is equals to minus 4. Now which of the following is the correct answer? A is equal to minus b. Which is not the correct answer? B is equal to minus c. Yes, this is the right answer. Since b is equal to 4, minus c is equal to 4. That is the second option is the correct answer. The next problem, the minimum value of the quadratic expression. So what is the formula for finding the minimum value? 4ac minus b square by 4a. Now substituting the values, what are ABC? A is equals to 1, B is equal to B, C is equal to C. That is 4 into 1 into C minus B square by 4 into 1. So answer is equals to 4C minus B square by 4, and this is equal to C minus B square by 4. That is the last option. The next problem, if 2x minus 7 minus 5x square has a maximum value at x is equals to a, then what is a value? So what is the given expression here? Minus 5x square plus 2x minus 7. So the expression, so given that the expression has a maximum value at x is equals to a, then what is a value? What is the formula for x? X is equal to minus b by 2a. That is, at x is equal to minus b by 2a, the given expression has either minimum value or maximum value. So this is the formula. Now replacing the values, minus 2 by 2 into minus 5. So answer is equals to 1 by 5. That is the second option. A is equals to minus 5 here, B is equal to 2, C is equal to minus 7. Answer equal to 1 by 5. That is the second option.